Welcome back. So we're continuing our exploration along this creek. We are along this county road that follows the creek, so we'll just follow this up a little bit until we reach up with the creek again. And it's been a little rainy today, so I've geared up with my rain gear, and that should allow us to keep our exploration going. All right, let's go. I saw some deer in here as I was coming in, so we'll see if they show up. Let's tuck in here, see if we can't find something. Okay, so right here, that green right there, that's our creek. Let's see how we can get down there. Look at these, the beetles will eat into the bark and leave these really cool looking patterns. But then after they do, the bark flakes off. I have my rain pants. We'll see how those do against thorns. Okay, we can see creeks down here. I can see a little bit of a runway, a runoff that goes into the creek here. If we can reach that, that might be easier to navigate through. All these mushrooms. That's fascinating. So I believe these are called turkey tail mushrooms. Okay, if we can get down here. Up here's our thorns. See if we can get past them fine. Just move them out of the way. Plenty of thorns here. Try and walk around them. Got some more fungi. Spot. So we can get down in there. Just realizing now I forgot my gloves. It'd be nice to have. Do it out for now. cool. Yeah. See, we're almost to the creek. Here we come. Big sized tree here. Okay, we made it. Ooh. Water's moving pretty slow. Nice and peaceful here. Let's see if we can see the bridge. Before we do, over here there's the bluff. Zoom into that. That is super pretty. Okay, let's see if we can find our bridge. See those ripples there? That might be a spring. Or it could just be seep from the recent rain. Pretty consistent ripples coming out from down there. Yeah, I think I see a bridge. Looks like a train, though. Is that, well? No, that might be it. I think that's the bridge we came to yesterday. All right, we'll follow this a little bit more. Very pretty here. Another big tree. Oh, those are recent deer droppings. I don't see any deer though. Got some more turkey tail mushrooms. Alright, the trail kind of narrows a bit. This is as far as I want to go, this direction. That's kind of cool, that sandbar. Alright, let's head back this way. moss in the rocks and covering the trees. No noticeable wildlife in the water right now. But it's nice and calm here. Very quiet. I might find a place to just hang out for a little bit. Let's see if I can sit on maybe a log or something over here. That's lodged up in a funny way. Here's a nice little shelf. Let's see how that holds up. Okay, I might just sit and hang out here for a bit. So I think that wraps it up for today's video, and we'll do some more exploring soon. See you soon. Bye. By the way, if you made it this far in the video, let me know if there's any place you think would be cool I went to explore. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks! Looks like so. Here we go.